ತ್ರಿಪುರ ಸುಂದರಿ ತ್ರಿಪುರ ಸುಂದರಿ ಅಂಬಾ 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 ತ್ರಿಪುರ ಸುಂದರಿ ತ್ರಿಪುರಾದ್ಯ ಗಮವೇದ್ಯ ತ್ರಿಪುರುಗುತ್ಸಾದ್ಯ ರಾಧ್ಯ ತ್ರಿಪುರಾದ್ಯ ಗಮವೇದ್ಯ ತ್ರಿಪುರುಗುಪ್ಸಾದ್ಯ ರಾಧ್ಯ ತ್ರಿಪುರ ವೈರಿ ಮೋಹಿತ ಪದ ತ್ರಿಪುರಾಗೃತ ಗವಿದಾತ್ರಿ ತ್ರಿಪುರ ವೈರಿ ಮೋಹಿತ ಪದ ತ್ರಿಪುರಾಗೃತ ಗವಿದಾತ್ರಿ ನೀದಾನಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಗಮ ಪಗ ಮರಿ ಗ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಪಗ ಮರಿ ಗ ಸರಿ ಸ ಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಸ ಮ ಪ ಗರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ರೇ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಪಾದ ನಿ ಸ ರೇ ಗ ಮ ರೇ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪ ಗ ಗರಿ ಸ ತ ಝಂ ತ ಜಂ ತ ಕಣಕ ಜಂ ಪಗ ಮರಿ ಗ ಸ ತರಿ ಕಿಟ ತ ಕ ಜಂ ಗರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ಮ ಪ ಗರಿ ಸ ತ ಜಂ ತ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ತರಿ ತ ಜೆ ಕು ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಪಾದ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ತ ದಿ ನು ಸ ನಿ ದ ತ ಗ ದಿ ಕ ತ ಕ ತ ದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೋ ಕಾತ್ಯಾಯನಿ ಕಲಿ ಕಲುಷ ಪಯೋದಿನಿ ಪ್ರಮೋದಿನಿ ಸಕಲ ಭುವನ ಜನನಿ ವರದಾಯಿನಿ ಮದ ಶಮನಿ ಕದಂಬವನ ವಿಹಾರಿಣಿ ಭುಜಗವೇಣಿ ಮಧುರವಾಣಿ ಸ್ಮರ ಹರುಣಿ ರಾಣಿ ಪುರಾಣಿ ನತ ಜನನಳಿ ನದಿನಮಣಿ ತ್ರಿಪುರ ಸುಂದರಿ ಅಂಬಾ ತ್ರಿಪುರ ಸುಂದರಿ ವಲರಾಜು ಚೆಲುವಲರಿಗಲು ಬಲಚೆ ಬಲತಿಯೇ ಭುವನ ಭಲಯಮುಲೋ ವೆಲಯುಡನಿ ವಲನಗಾದ ವಲರಾಜು ಚೆಲುವಲರಿಗಲು ವಲಚೆ ಬಲತಿಯೇ ಭುವನ ಭಲಯಮುಲೋ ವೆಲಯುಡನಿ ವಲನಗಾದ ಗಲನನ ಸುರುಲ ತನುವುಲ ಸಕಲ ಮುಲುಗ ಜೇಸಿಯ ಮರುಲ ಕಲಕ ಮಾಂಜಿನ ಸತಗುಣ ಕಲನವು ನೀವು ಗದ ಗಲನನ ಸುರುಲ ತನುವುಲ ಸಕಲ ಮೂಲುಗ ಜೇಸಿಯ ಮರುಲ ಕಲಕ ಮಾಜಿನ ಸತಗುಣ ಕಲನವು ನೀವುಗದ ಚಿತ್ಕಲಧರಿ ಗುರುಗುಹನುತ ಸಕಲ ಮೋದಕರಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ಕಲಾಪಿ ಕಲಾಪ ಕಚಬರ ಕಲಾನಿಧಿ ವದನ ಸುರದನ ತ್ರಿಪುರ ಸುಂದರಿ ಚಿತ್ಕಲಾಧರಿ ಗುರುಗುಹನುತ ಸಕಲ ಮೋದಕರಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ಕಲಾಪಿ ಕಲಾಪ ಕಚಬರ ಕಲಾನಿಧಿ ವದನ ಸುರದನ ನೀದನಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಗಮ ಪಗ ಮರಿ ಗ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಪಗ ಮರಿ ಗ ಸರಿ ಸ ಗರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ಮ ಪ ಗರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ನಿ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ನಿ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ರಿ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪ ಗ ಗ ರಿ ಸ ಕಾತ್ಯಾಯನಿ ಕಲಿ ಕಲುಷ ಪಯೋದಿನಿ ಪ್ರಮೋದಿನಿ ಸಕಲ ಭುವನ ಜನನಿ ವರದಾಯಿನಿ ಮದ ಶಮನಿ ಕದಂಬವನ ವಿಹಾರಿಣಿ ಭುಜಗವೇಣಿ ಮಧುರವಾಣಿ ಸ್ಮರ ಹರುಣಿ ರಾಣಿ ಪುರಾಣಿ ನತ ಜನನಳಿ ನದಿನಮಣಿ ತ್ರಿಪುರ ಸುಂದರಿ ಎಂಬ ತ್ರಿಪುರ ಸುಂದರಿ ಎಂಬ ತ್ರಿಪುರ ಸುಂದರಿ
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for that beautiful rendition, Madhu Auntie. I now welcome all of you to the performance here today. Today is a very special day since it's my grandmother's birthday. She would have been 72 years old today. This performance isn't just an artistic representation, but the celebration of my grandmother's life. My grandmother was extremely fond of Bharatanatyam growing up. I grew up with her for the first 11 years of my life, and she would always talk about the beauty and grace of the art form. So it's a wonderful occasion that we are all gathered here today to watch a performance dedicated to her. My grandmother was a beautiful soul. In fact, my first smile was reserved to her. True to her name, Sundari, she was beautiful through and through, and also a lover of other art forms. She was a wonderful artist, a voracious reader, especially Sundaragandham and Devaram. She was also a pillar of strength, not just for myself, but there for the entire family. She wholeheartedly believed that life was to be lived. I would now like to say, happy birthday party. We all miss you very much, and on that note, we will now commence the program. Hope you enjoy.
Check. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. As I commence this recital, I present today a margam, however, weaving a perspective of a young Krishna devotee. So, what does the name Krishna means? Krishna means all attractive. So, this young devotee thinks Krishna is just adorable. She thinks everything about him is beautiful. His lotus-eyed, his stance, the adornments that he has, the way he walks, and the way all his miracles that he's performed, everything about him is beautiful. Wait, so in mesmerizing in his beauty, she eventually falls in love with him. I present to you today the verses of Madhurashtakam and Painkili Vannan in Nachiyar Tirumozhi, from Nachiyar Tirumozhi. Thank you.
Krishna
So as we move on, I just didn't remain in love. I had to know more about you, Krishna. You remained the handsome Krishna to me, but I know that you are the omnipresent, the slayer of ego, the one who appears to restore dharma, and while you remain the ever beautiful lotus-eyed Govinda, I proceed to present the Varnam in Ragam Pantuvarali, எங்கும் நிறைந்த பரம்பொருளே. ॐ नमो नारायण केशवा माधवा विष्णु त्रिविक्रमा वामना मधुसूदना श्रीधरा दामोदरा
எங்கும் நிறைந்த பரம்பொருளே, ஏழுமலை வாசனே, நிறைந்த பரம்பொருளே,
தளம்
ஏழுமலை
குதக்கது குதக்கதி கிட்ட தொந்தா ரத்தி மிட்ட கிட்ட ரக்க தக்க திம்மி ரக்க ஜெண்ணு தாம் தாம் தக் தீம் தீம் தக் தக் தீம் கிண்ண தொம் தாம் ரத்தி மித்த கிட்ட தக்க தக்க திம்மி தக்க ஜெண்ணு தாம் தாம் தக் தீம் தீம் தத்தீம் கிண்ணத்தொம் தத்தி மித்த கிட்ட தக்க தக்க திம்மி தக்க ஜனுதாம் தாம் தீம் தீம் தத்தீம் கிண்ணத்தொம் தத்தி மித்த கிட்ட தக்க தக்க திம்மி தக்க ஜனுதா தாம் தீம் தீம் தத்தீம் கிண்ணத்தொம் தத்தி மித்த கிட்ட தக்க தக்க திம்மி தக்க ஜனுதா தாம் தீம் தீம் தத்தீம் கிண்ணத்தொம் ஜன்னு ரக்க ஜம் ஜம் தனம் நம் த ஜன்னு த கிட்டத்த ஜன்னு த தக்க திக்கு தீங் கிண்ணத்தொம் தக்க திக்கு தீங் கிண்ணத்தொம் தக்க திக்கு தீங் கிண்ணத்தொம் ஜன்னு தக்க ஜம் ஜம் தனம் நம் த ஜன்னு த கிட்டத்த ஜன்னு த தக்க திக்கு தீங் கிண்ணத்தொம் தக்க திக்கு தீங் கிண்ணத்தொம் தக்க திக்கு தீங் கிண்ணத்தொம் தாம் தக்கிட்டதி தக்கிட்டதும் தக்கிட்டனம் தக்கிட்ட தக்கிட்ட திக்கிட்டதும் கிட்டனம் கிட்டதாம் தக்கிட்டதி தக்கிட்டதும் தக்கிட்டனம் தக்கிட்ட தக்கிட்ட திக்கிட்டதும் கிட்டனம் கிட்டதா தி தொம் ததிங் கிண்ணத்தொம் ததிங் கிண்ணத்தொம் ததிங் கிண்ணத்தொம் தா ததிங் கிண்ணத்தொம் ததிங் கிண்ணத்தொம் ததிங் கிண்ணத்தொம் தா தி தொம் ததிங் கிண்ணத்தொம் ததிங் கிண்ணத்தொம் ததிங் கிண்ணத்தொம் தா ததிங் கிண்ணத்தொம் ததிங் கிண்ணத்தொம் ததிங் கிண்ணத்தொம் தா ரி தொம் ததிங் கிண்ணத்தொம் ததிங் கிண்ணத்தொம் ததிங் கிண்ணத்தொம் தா ததிங் கிண்ணத்தொம் ததிங் கிண்ணத்தொம் ததிங் கிண்ணத்தொம்
எங்கும் நிறைந்த பரம்பொருளே, ஏழுமலை வாசனே, எங்கும் நிறைந்த பரம்பொருளே, ஏழுமலை வாசனே, எங்கும் நிறைந்த பரம்பொருளே,
ತಳಂಕು ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕ ತದಿಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟದು ತತ್ತಗ್ಗದ್ದಿತ್ತ ರತ್ತ ತತ್ತ ಕಡದಗದಗಡದು ಕಡದಗದಗಡದು ರದೆ ದಣ ಜಣುದಾಗತ ಜಂ ತರಿ ದರಿತ್ತ ದಣ ದಣತ ದಣತ್ತ ಜಣು ಜಣುದ ಜಣುತ್ತ ದಿಮಿ ದಿಮಿದ ದಿಮಿತ್ತ ಕಿಟ ತಗದ ತರಿತ್ತ ದಣ ದಣತ್ತ ಜಣು ಜಣು ತದಿಮಿ ದಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ತರಿ ದಣ ದಣತ ಜಣು ಜಣು ತದಿಮಿ ದಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ದೇತ ದೇತ ದಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ತದಿ ಕಿಟ ತೋದ ದರಿ ದಣ ದಣತ ಜಣು ಜಣು ತದಿಮಿ ದಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ದೇತ ದೇತ ದಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ತದಿ ಕಿಟ ತೋದ ದರಿ ದಣ ದಣತ ಜಣು ಜಣು ತದಿಮಿ ದಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ದೇತ ದೇತ ದಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ತದಿ ಕಿಟ ತೋದ ತದಿಕ ತರಿತ್ತ ದಣ ದಣ ತಜಣು ಜಣು ತದಿಮಿ ದಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ತರಿತ್ತ ದಣ ತಜಣು ತದಿಮಿ ತದತ್ತ ತಜ್ಜಣ್ಣು ತಜ್ಜಣ್ಣು ತಾಂಗಡದಗದತ್ತರಿ ತಜ್ಜಣ್ಣು ತಾಂಗಡದಗದೈ ದತ್ತರಿ ತರಿತ್ತ ದಣ ದಣ ತಜ್ಜಣ್ಣು ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕದಿಕು ತದಿಕಿಟ ತೋಂ ದತ್ತರಿ ತರಿತ್ತ ದಣ ದಣ ತಜ್ಜಣ್ಣು ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕದಿಕು ತದಿಕಿಟ ತೋಂ ದತ್ತರಿ ತರಿತ್ತ ದಣ ದಣ ತಜ್ಜಣ್ಣು ಜಣ್ಣು ತಕದಿಕು ಕಡದಗಡದೋ ತಕದಿಕು ಕಡದಗಡದೋ ತಕದಿಕು ಕಡದಗಡದೋ
மண்ணும் விண்ணும் விஸ்வரூபனே ஸ்ரீனிவாசனே மத்ஸ்யகூர்ம வராஹாதி தசாவதாரம் எடுத்த நாராயணனே மத்ஸ்யகூர்ம வராஹாதி தசாவதாரம் எடுத்த நாராயணனே மத்ஸ்யகூர்ம வராஹாதி தசாவதாரம் எடுத்த நாராயணனே பரித்ராணாய சாதூனாம் விநாசாய ச துஷ்கிருதாம் தர்ம சம்ஸ்தாபனார்த்தாய சம்பவாமி யுகே மத்ஸ்யகூர்ம வராஹாதி தசாவதாரம் எடுத்த நாராயணனே மத்ஸ்யகூர்ம வராஹாதி தசாவதாரம் எடுத்த நாராயணனே மத்ஸ்யகூர்ம வராஹாதி தசாவதாரம் எடுத்த
தளம் குத்தக்க திக்கு தக்க ததி கிட்ட தோம் தர்கட தங்க குக்குந்தர் தக்குந்தரி கிட்ட தக்க தக்க தின்னி தக்க தின தாம் குக்குந்தரி தக்குந்தரி தக்க தின தாம் குக்குந்தரி தக்க தின தாம் தக்க தின தாம் கடதக தர்கட தங்கட குக்குந்தரி தக்குந்தரி கிட்ட தக்க தக்க தின தாம் குக்குந்தரி தக்குந்தரி தக்க தின தாம் குக்குந்தரி தக்க தின தாம் தக்க தின தாம் நம் தததிமி தக்கிட்ட தக்க தக்குந்தரி குக்குந்தரி நம் நம் தா நம் தக்கிட்ட தக்க நம் நம் தா தனம் நம் தா தனம் நம் தா தனம் தனம் ததா நம் தனம் ததா நம் தனம் ததா தக்கிட்ட தா தஜம் ததி கிட்ட தோ தஜம் ததி கிட்ட தோ தாதே தக்கிட்ட தா தஜம் ததி கிட்ட தோ தஜம் ததி கிட்ட தோ தாதே தக்கிட்ட தா தஜம் ததி கிட்ட தோ தஜம் ததி கிட்ட தோ
மத்ஸ்யகூர்ம வராஹாதி தசாவதாரம் எடுத்த நாராயணனே வேங்கடநாதனே உன் புகழ் பாடி திருவேங்கடகிரியை நாடிடுவோம். வேங்கடநாதனே உன் புகழ் பாடி
ತಕ್ಕದೇನ ತಾಂ ಕಡದಗ ಜಂ ಜಂ ತಕ್ ಕಡದಗ ಜಂ ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಡದಗ ಜಂ ಜಂ ತಕ್ಕದೇನ ತಾಂ ತಾಂ ತದಕ ಜುಣು ತಕ್ಕದೇನ ತಾಂ ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣತ್ತು ಕಡದಗ ಗರಡು ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣತ್ತು ಕಡದಗ ಗರಡು ತದ್ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣತ್ತು ಕಡದಗ ಗರಡು
As I continue in my journey, I realize that you're within my heart and you're my constant. And I have to completely surrender to you, body, mind, and soul. I yearn for your glance and wait for your glance. I commence my fourth item, which is an abhang from Saint Tukaram, Bare Panduranga, in
Behag Ragam.
विठला विठला विठ्ठल 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 पांडुरंग 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 विठ्ठल भरे पांडुरंगा खेमा भेट देसी भरे पांडुरंगा खेमा भेट देसी भरे पांडुरंगा खेमा भेट देसी झालो मी परदेसी तू जळवीना झालो मी परदेसी तू जळवीना तुझं विनसका माझी नाही कोणी तुझं विनसका माझी नाही कोणी वाटा ते शरणी गालो मीठी वाटा ते शरणी गालो मीठी भरे पांडुरंगा क्षमा भेट देसी ओवाळावी काया चरणावरुणी ओवाळावी काया पाण्डुरङ्गा क्षमा भेट देसी.
So, Krishna, I have been sharing all my perspective. But what am I to you? You have the Radhas, you have the Rukminis, you have the Gopis. But I have one question. Do you keep me close to your heart? I'm waiting for your answer. I conclude this program with the Tilana in Vrindavana Saranga.
गोपिकानां कुशद्वन्द्व कुङ्कुमाङ्कित वक्षसं श्रीनिकेतं महेश्वासं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं. तदीं तदीं दीं दीं तदिरना
कृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं कृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं कृष्णं कदविषय कृष्णं जगत्प्रभविष्णु सुरारिगण कृष्णं सदाबाल कृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं राधारुणाधर सुधापं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं जगत्त्रयभूतं सदा बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी सुन्दरं बालकृष्णं कलय सखी
Ladies and gentlemen, we've had a wonderful performance today, but we're not at the end of today's evening. It gives me great privilege to introduce our chief guest for this evening. On behalf of Nandini, I would like to welcome Dr. Vasanthi Vasudev, a humanities doctorate by qualification and an educationist. Dr. Vasanthi Vasudev has had an exceptional professional career where she has donned many hats, first as a teacher, an educator, a pedagogist, an entrepreneur, director at Osmosis Learning, and an author. She was the principal of Sir Sivaswamy Kalaya Senior Secondary School. She was also the co-founder and academic director at APL Global. Her textbooks for learning English, New Images, have been market leaders for a decade and a half. She loves to write stories for children between the ages of 5 and 10, and some of them have been published, and she also loves writing poetry. On behalf of all of you here, I take great privilege inviting you, Doctor, to address the audience today evening. Thank you.
Dear friends, after this brilliant performance, I think a speech is totally redundant. Nonetheless, Nandini has very touchingly invited me to come and to say a few words, and I don't want to disappoint her. Wasn't that a wonderful performance, both in Nritya and Bhava? And to think, she dedicated it to the multifaceted Krishna, but she herself is so multifaceted. I have known Nandini for more than 3 decades. In those days when I used to be the principal of Sivaswamy Kalalaya, she came to me a little anxious, not knowing what her future held for her. And I saw a child who was struggling. And today, I'm sure if her mother had been here, she would have felt enormously proud. A teacher, too, is like a mother. Nothing gives us more pleasure than seeing our students flower and grow and, from strength to strength. And the last 1 hour was that kind of a proud moment for me. And as I said, I have seen Nandini in many avatars. When she left school, I was very, very happy to realize, to know that she had come out with flying colors in her chartered accountancy, which you all know is a very, very difficult and competitive exam. And thereon, she has worked and donned many hats in multinational companies as a finance professional. I had the pleasure of meeting Nandini quite by chance, I think a couple of years ago at Neeta and Mukesh Ambani's center. And there I saw a completely different Nandini, a doting mother, a loving wife. And then when I went to condole her upon her mother's death, she spent hours talking to me about how she has to look after her father and how it is her duty now to look after her father. And today I saw another avatar of Nandini, the dancer. And what a brilliant dancer she is. So much of talent and so much of dedication and bhakti came through in every one of her adabus in the performance. And so what can I say except to say that I bless her and wish her all the best, and may I see her grow to even greater heights, and, may she experience the farthest reaches of human existence. Thank you, Nandini, for remembering me and asking me to come. I have gone far beyond making speeches and all, but today it was an exception for me. Thank you, dear, and bless you. Thank you.
Something very small. It's just a small memento. Vasanthi ma'am has been an inspiration for me right from school, actually. Some of my schoolmates are here. She will second me on this of how exceptional a principal she was, ensuring every student of hers shined through their potential. She was always so gorgeous. We were all looking forward to always seeing, okay, how is she today, what accessory she is wearing to school. So, and Vasanthi ma'am was a turning point in my life, in as far as how I approach life. So, I can't begin to express how grateful I am to have her in my life as a mentor. This is just a very small memento, ma'am.
Thank you, Doctor, for sharing your words.
I wanted to say, I really wanted to say a few words about the orchestra. Such a brilliant orchestra, so well they sang. If the dance was a feast to the eye, the orchestra was indeed a feast to the ear. I'll be failing in my duty if I don't mention a few words about the phenomenal orchestra.
Yeah, thank you, Doctor. I now like to invite Guru Padma S. Raghavan. Guru Padma S. Raghavan is a senior disciple of Professor Sudharani Raghupati at Sri Bharatalaya. For over 3 decades, Padma S. Raghavan has been a performer and a creative choreographer, adept in South Indian classical music, Natuvangam, and Indian classical dance. She runs her own dance institution, Sri Padmam Academy of Fine Arts at Mylapore in Chennai for the last 4 decades, in Indore earlier and now in Chennai. She has choreographed and directed solo thematic presentations such as Andal, Om Vaishnave Namaha, Neela Megha Shamanam, and group thematic presentations and compositions of Saint Tyagaraja. She has adjudged several dance competitions conducted by various institutions and presided over Arangetrams and wields the Natuvangam for senior dancers and travels widely. Apart from dance, she is also an author of Tamil novels. 2 of her novels are already published. May I now kindly call Guru Padma S. Raghavan to say a few words.
Matradevo Bhava, Pitradevo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I was telling Nandini, Neha, I have to do the Natuvangam, I have to teach, and I'll also be the chief guest and speak, is it? But she insisted so much. And I think I should take this opportunity to actually congratulate Nandini for making me a teacher. I have been a teacher for a very long time. Apart from dance teacher, I've also been teaching in academics in school. So one thing that I very strongly believe is you don't teach, children learn. And when children learn very well, then you become a teacher. So that is a very strong belief that I have. So however much we teach, unless the intake is good, unless the response is good, you are not a very successful teacher. So that way I should say that Nandini, another thing that I feel for a teacher is the trust that you get from the students. When the students absolutely trust you, then they respond very well. And then that motivates a teacher to teach more. Facilitator is what we are. When we teach, whether it is a kid, especially these days, or whether it is an older person, don't assume that they don't know anything. They know very much, and in this day and age, when we have the internet, the social media, the information galore is at their hands, and so children know everything. So you have to really be very thorough in what you're doing. So it's a learning process as we teach. I would like to appreciate Nandini for today's program because she learned it with great dedication. A lot of hard work has gone into today's presentation. It's a solo that she performed. She has been performing in groups, but a solo is a different matter. And today's solo presentation has taken months of hard work, months of dedication, a lot of trust. நீங்க சொல்லுங்க பத்மா மிஸ், நீங்க என்ன சொல்றீங்களோ நான் கேட்குறேன். You have every right to say is her usual word that she keeps telling. So it was a good journey. Her devotion towards Krishna goes back from her childhood. And when she presented it today, when she wanted to present today, she wanted the theme of Krishna. So we had to work out the whole process. We had to think about what presentation will it be. And it is all her own experience that we presented today. As a child, how she connected with Krishna. And then as she grew up, how she literally loves Krishna. How she had heard the stories of Krishna. And how finally she surrenders unto Krishna. So it was a wonderful journey, Nandini. I'm so happy that you were able to perform today so well. All your hard work and dedication has been a very successful day today. So kudos and congratulations. I think Nandini deserves a very big hand. I really enjoyed because it was not just a straightforward margam, although we call it a margam. We had to work on the presentation, and I really enjoyed. And with you, I enjoyed Krishna today, and I'm sure I will also become an ardent fan of Krishna. So a very good program today. Congratulations, Nandini, and thank you all. I'm sure Nandini deserves a very big hand today. Thank you for all the support I got from my musicians, my co-artists, and they are all much they are all legendary. They have been playing for artists, and வித்வத்துங்கிறது அவளுக்கு ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தி. அவளுக்கு நான் அவள் பக்கத்தில் உட்காந்துட்டு for me to do the Natavangam itself, I feel very blessed. Thank you, my guru, my parents, my elders, and all my well-wishers. Vijay is one of my greatest well-wishers. Vijay and Nalini, they always say, Padma, you can do it. Just go ahead and do it. So much of support that I get from them is real motivation. Thank you so much.
So, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Yeah, so you're all able to hear me? Okay, sorry, I couldn't announce too much without my glasses in the sides. So, first I'd like to begin the vote of thanks. I want to thank my mom, because it was her dream actually to become a dancer, and she only inculcated me in Bharatanatyam. It was a option between school guides in PS Senior or Bharatanatyam classes, and she said no,
you have to go for classes, you have to go for dance class. So that was something. I like to thank my dad for inducing the love of Krishna for me. It was him, he used to only say all the stories of Krishna. In fact, he made me name my sibling as Krishna actually. So my brother's name is Krishna. So, that was instilled by my mom and dad. Goes without saying, my family, I'd like to thank my family, my daughter and my husband, for both of them for being so patient and tolerating my entire 1 year. I've been dancing, I've been at this for the last 1 year, and the last couple of months has been really, tough practice. So, it was, I know, I had to cancel a lot of holidays and lots of plans with my family, and, I had to only focus on this. I'd like to thank Vasanthi ma'am. She was, as I said earlier, she was a vision of beauty for us. And, one thing that Vasanthi ma'am did in our school was, all of us were vain teenagers, okay? And we all used to have this very small mirror in our corridor, and all of us used to gather up over there. Palni, you remember that, right? And the next week, we had this huge mirror, which had a saying called, "Do you look smart?" So, having a mirror is one thing, but then to say, "Do you look smart?" it automatically made us feel that we all had to be groomed well in school. So, that is a genius, right? To install a mirror is logic, but to make us think is someone who is very, very intelligent, and that's what Vasanthi ma'am was for us, a sheer inspiration. And she never took no for an answer. Me and Palni, my best friend here, we both were in dance performances, and we used to go, we were very, very naughty children, but she used to see through all of that, forgive everything. She was such a forgiving teacher, and still made us, shine through our potential. I'd like to thank my guru, Padma Miss. For dance especially, the guru is the bridge between the dance and the divinity. So that was what she was for me. I just told Padma Miss I want to do everything about Krishna today, and that's all I said. I told that, as a child I loved him. I've heard all the Narasimha stories, from my dad. For me everything is him, and she weaved the entire production meaningfully for me. So, and the last 1 year has been a year of learning and unlearning for me. It was really like I felt like a student all over again. So thanks to Padma Miss, I would never have done this without her support, without her determined guidance and love. She really made me channelize. The last 1 year has been very, very difficult without my mom, and it's only because of me focusing on this helped me get through my absence of my mom actually. I would like to thank all the members of the orchestra. It was Shri Dhananjayan on the mridangam. It was Supriya Raja on the vocals, Shri Muttu on the flute, Shri Shikamani sir on the violin, and of course Guru Padma Raghavan, who is the Natvangam and the backbone of this program. I would not be ending this well if I don't thank my best friend Madhu for singing such a beautiful song, and starting this program. Papori for makeup, the tailor, Ranjana tailors for costume. I'd like to thank Gajendran and Shri Anand on the lights, and Ara Sabha for this facility, and all my friends for coming here as a sign of support. It's I'm really touched that so many of you have made time and come here today. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much once again. Thank you.